Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson and I'm back with a new hairstyle on my own hair. For this I just had to release the ponytail, and then to my not super dirty hair I used some leave-in conditioner. This gives extra shine, and the most important thing is it gives me some grip. So I'm just warming up in between of my fingers the product and then run it through, comb it through, and then I do my part line like I normally wear it, and I always do a slightly diagonal parting like this. The hair folds more natural. I don't know, I look weird with the middle parting, that's what I think, and this is why I'm using this. This is my box with bobby pins, hair ties, everything that I need, and I'm using the brownish bobby pins because those I can see less in my hair. So take the front section, split it into 3 equal strands, and then I start with the strands from behind, bring it under the middle, then front under, then the one from behind under, and I'm adding in hair. Front goes under, I'm adding in some hair, and then again right strand goes under, add in small portion of hair, and try to pull the hair in the direction diagonally to the rear of your crown. So always add in some hair, and I do this adding in more or less until the end of my part line. Then I want the braid to be more seen, so I'm pancaking it by pulling the outer edges. You can use some hairspray before you open it, and then just pin it into place with some bobby pins. Bring the other hair over the pins, and you are done. What do you think? Leave me a comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and give us a thumbs up. Hope to see you back very soon. Bye bye!